unlocking a world of knowledge in an instant. Ready for today's quick insight?
A strong wind is typically classified as having a speed between 20 to 28 kilometers per hour, about 12 to 17 miles per hour. This level of wind speed can cause noticeable movements in tree branches and might cause small, loose objects to be lifted. For context, this range falls under the Beaufort scale as a fresh breeze to strong breeze. Wind speeds above this range can begin to cause challenges to pedestrians and can escalate to gale force, causing more significant impact and potential damage.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.